Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something super exciting for all you Android enthusiasts out there. Have you been admiring the clean, elegant look of the NothingOS Gallery app? Well, guess what? You can now install the latest NothingOS Styled Gallery on your non-rooted Android phone. That's right, no root required. Just pure, beautiful, material-free theming for your photo viewing experience. So, how do you get this awesome app on your phone? It's simple. Since this isn't available on the Google Play Store for non-Nothing devices, we'll be sideloading an APK file. Now, a quick word of caution. Always download APKs from reputable and verified sources. I'll link a trusted source in the description below to make sure you're getting a safe and working file. Open the web browser you just gave permission to. Navigate to the trusted download link provided in the video description. Tap on the download button for the NothingOS Gallery APK file. You might see a warning that the file could be harmful. Confirm that you want to download it. Once it's done, you'll see an app installed message. You can then tap Open to launch the app immediately, or Done to find it in your app drawer later. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the latest NothingOS Styled Gallery app on your non-rooted Android device. This isn't just any gallery app, folks. We're talking about a gallery app that's based on the latest NothingOS, bringing that signature, minimalist aesthetic to your device, sporting material-free theming for a modern, visually cohesive look and feel that's a joy to use. Boasting a beautiful and user-interactive UI, it's not just pretty, it's intuitive and responsive. A fully functional alternative to your stock gallery app. Say goodbye to boring default galleries and hello to a fresh, new way to manage your photos and videos. Take some time to explore the app, enjoy its sleek design, and manage your photos and videos with a fresh, new look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Android customization tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the NothingOS Gallery, and if you're enjoying the new look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.